The optics could not have been worse for a party already struggling to maintain a veneer on democratic legitimacy. When Lakmo Tinashagapa, a ZANU-PF Central Committee member, was filmed snatching the phone of prominent rights lawyer Tauko Tat, it was more than just a petty crime. It was a symptom of a party losing control. Sabina Mashkobra Yukapangona Chinze, ZANU-PF Central Committee member, Cotton Kamina stealing lawyer Tauko Tat's phone. Civil war brews inside the party. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tibina Panapa mo na umobudan kwa mchinzi. While the footage went viral, the real story lies in the unprecedented reaction from the party's top brass. Patrick Chinamasa's swift threat to expel Gapa is not a sign of ZANU-PF's newfound morality, but rather a desperate attempt to manage a PR disaster during the sensitive constitutional amendment hearing. Our investigative report goes behind the scenes of the phone gates scandal to review the internal power struggles it has ignited. Why was Gapa so desperate to seize that specific phone? What was on it? We explore the theory that the phone contained recordings of the state-sponsored disruptions at the hearings, evidence that ZANU-PF cannot afford to go public. The article provides a documentary-style account of the chaos at the City Sports Center, simplifying the conspiracy of how the ruling party uses hooligans to silence the law, and why even their own members are now being thrown under the bus to save the crocodile's image. The incident took place during the highly charged public hearings for the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment No. 3 Bill of 2026 held at the City Sports Center in Harare. As the hearing progressed, the atmosphere turned increasingly hostile, with the ZANU-PF supporters reportedly burst in, drown out any dissenting voices. Human rights lawyer Tauko Tat, known for his relentless defense of political activists, was present to document the proceedings. In the viral video, he has since been shared across all major social media platforms. Quotas is seen leaving the venue when he is suddenly accosted. Lakmo Tinashagapa, identified as the member of the ruling party ZANU-PF Elite Central Committee, is clearly seen grabbing Quotas' mobile phone and fleeing into the crowd. The brazen nature of the theft, carried out in broad daylight in front of numerous witnesses and cameras, has left many Zimbabweans questioning the sense of impunity that has seemingly embedded in the party's leadership. Toma developments arikula pangwa ine tudzemafura imo tulipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Pida comment section yetu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.